Glock 19, disassembly, reassembly. This is for you, Haas. So, slower. Open your slide, release the magazine, and show the chamber is empty. Point in safe direction, dry fire, pull the top of the slide back a little bit, pull down on takedown tabs, take the slide off the receiver, remove your recoil spring, remove the barrel. That's it. To reassemble, put the barrel back in the slide, put the recoil spring above the barrel, in the slide, connect the slide to the receiver, cock it, point in a safe direction, dry fire, insert the mag, lock the slide back. Done.